Wait, go, go, go!
Oh.
Put it in reverse! Put it in reverse, Terry.
Below,
Put it in
dude.
reverse! Oh shit!
Oh my god. Wait, I'm like trying to help you guys.
I just hit it!
Oh, you guys are gonna fly off!
Fly off where? Fly. Oh!
Wait, Loki, why is it getting in the door?
Ow.
Why is it not getting into the
Get up! Come on!
Come on, dude.
Get up! Get up and go into the door!
Oh shit, Clay!
Oh my god, Chris!
Dude, I forgot.
Dude.
It's the big.
Guys, wait. Wait, Chris, I found a new strategy. Oh, I just lost my jetpack.
That's an axle.
Dude.
Dude, just trick shot me! Okay, I'm going over here then. This clam better not eat me. Oh shit. Please. Okay, we're good.
You were not good.
Dude, his fucking face.
Dude, your face, what are you talking about? Look at your
What do
hair!
you mean my face? We look the same!
Look at your hair, bro!
Bro, look
Nah,
at you.
if I looked that fugly, I'd kill myself, bro.
Dude, there's just tentacles following us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think those are just particle effects that for some reason are here.
Bruh.
Ew. Okay, let's get out of
Guys, there's no ammo. Chris, there's no ammo.
Dude, I threw a grenade. I don't know what.
Dude, I can't breathe.
No, wait. Okay,
Oh my
okay.
God.
Wait, Josh, get in here. Get in here. We gotta
Oh
go,
my
we're gonna
God,
go to the
I'm
main
getting it.
entrance. We're gonna go to the main entrance. Ready?
I'm going, bro. Let's go. Oh my god.
Okay, hold on, hold
What are
on.
we doing?
Main entrance right over there. You see it?
Wait, I see it. Oh, Chris.
You see it? You see it?
Holy
Okay, get in
shit.
here.
Oh, perfect. Actually, that's exactly what I needed. Flare. Holy shit, yeah. I didn't realize how low I was. Wait, dude, that's so sick. We like know how to do it now. That's fire.
What?
We like know how to do it now.
Wait, watch this. I have a thing.
The motion tracker. Oh, you figured out how to use it?
Oh my god! Oh my god! No! No! Oh. I got his ass. Yeah.
What'd you get for? Oh!
Wait, where's his?
Oh!
I wonder if he's rare.
Oh shoot.
Oh, the pigs! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, he's giving me back shots. Wait, look, I'm actually fucked. Oh my god.
Bro! What? Dude, it was like 2 seconds! Are you...
Alright, Joe, you wanna do a challenge?
What's the challenge? Oh,
Oh!
20 on ISO.
Oh,
ISO
40
1
on chamber.
Yeah, ISO's low.
super low.
To your right, brother.
Spike down A.
Yeah, listen.
ISO still one tap.
It's you. Oh my god, he knows. Run at him. Nice. Wait, and then you kill chamber. Oh my! Oh my god!
Dude, my cat freaking
Dude.
killed itself on this magnitude.
Bro, get out!
Bro, I can't. I can't get out. I can't get out.
Zach,
That
I couldn't open the door.
This is the way. This is definitely not the way, dog. This is the way. This is the way. I actually know where we are. This is.
Oh! Oh!
He has his ult. He did his.
Wait, I'm not gonna pick
No, but Luca canceled it. What the fuck?
Lucas
No, I didn't
cancel only
think so.
works for a little bit.
Chill, I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh, wait, he's here, he's right here, he's right here.
They come for me.
Frozen in the. I'm slumping. Where?
Was it that bird?
Wait, how do I
Like right here.
you die? What?
Holy shit.
Somebody died.
Wait, is
Yo, I got zapped by lightning as soon as I went out there, bro.
Hold on.
Oh wait, I see it's something I can carry. I got 4 strength. One. 2.
Oh my god, these niggas took the card away.
Hello. Okay, yeah. Hello, everyone.
going in the sand.
Hello, everyone. You wanna get a boner? Okay, guys.
Are you okay?
What is that?
Oh, I don't know. Where did we come from? Oh shit! Hell no! I'm getting the hell out of here. I don't want to do this shit no more. Man, I'm out of breath. Oh, this shit. Would not recommend that experience. Yeah, Chris died, by the way. Can I clap? Guess who's back?
I have never been associated with a. Oh my god! Look out! Watch. I got a spine for you niggas. Got a spine for you niggas.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Alright.
I look at you too. Hello? What are you?
I got. Ferrari, 17 shots.
Okay, record that.
Wait, I can hear him.
dude. Wait. Oh.
Get him!
I'm jumping down too.
I am dead as fuck, brother. I am dead as fuck. Oh, hell no. Dude, I was actually getting chased by a big old thing. It was fucking making noises. Where is he?
Oh, I see him.
Oh, hell no.
Get back, bitch!
That shit did not work. That shit did not work.
He ate it like a Fruit Loop. Touch me! He's gonna touch me! Josh, he's gonna touch me! He's gonna touch me! No, he's touching me!
Hey, bro, have you done this shit, bro?
Who's moving it?
Who the fuck died?
What the hell is in the... What the hell going on over here?
Dorian wrote this shit already.
Dorian, you fucking idiot.
Sorry. Oh, there's a vase. Oh shit.
Wait, Clay,
There's no way. What?
come to the nerd. I need you to do a little something. I need you to...
Oh shit, back again.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh my!
Open this shit.
That's crazy.
Wait.
Oh shit! Oh, you need help?
I can't like. Open the door.
Yeah. Oh, you good? Okay, I'll let go already. Wait.
Polio.
4 and 3.
Cornholio.
This thing. Look at that thing.
Ready, Chris?
Damn,
Watch this.
goddamn.
Ready, Chris?
I see.
Watch this, Chris. Boom!
Where are we going?
Oh, look, I found something. Yeah, look at it.
Oh.
What? Look at what, bro? Yeah, I'm watching you. Come on, you got this. Go! Go! Go, Joe, go! Zach! I can't breathe! Noise. I don't know. My lights better go out.
Are we going here?
Oh shit! Oh my god!
What the heck? Why is it here?
Big ass dude. Yeah, good wall. Look him up.
I was waiting.
Wait, watch this shit. Watch this shit. Dude, what is that? I got to know what my latency is.
Okay. So it's to our left, right? So it's to our left. It's to our left! It's to our left! It's to our left. We're fine. We're fine. Alright, let's get it. I am tweaking! I'm tweaking! Get out, Luca!